Today we are going to start new topic, tacheometer or tacheometry. What is tacheometry? A tacheometry is a branch of surveying in which we measure horizontal and vertical distances. We measure horizontal and vertical distances by taking angular measurements with the instrument known as tacheometer. Okay, so in tacheometry, what we are doing, we are measuring horizontal distance between 2 points. Suppose there are 2 points, or vertical distance between 2 points. If there are 2 points, in that vertical distance that we can measure vertical distance, or we can measure horizontal distance by using instrument known as tacheometer. Okay, and how we measure this horizontal distance, vertical distance? Just by taking angular measurement. We are not going to use any chain or tape to measure the distance. Means म्हणजे आपण टॅकोमेट्री मध्ये काय करत आहे, आपण टॅकोमेट्री मध्ये कोणत्याही 2 पॉइंट मधलं हॉरिझॉन्टल डिस्टन्स किंवा व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स मोजू शकतो बाय युजिंग इंस्ट्रुमेंट टॅकोमीटर. आणि आपण ते कसं मोजतो? जस्ट बाय टेकिंग अँग्युलर मेजरमेंट्स. म्हणजे जेव्हाही आपल्याला कोणते 2 पॉइंटचे डिस्टन्स मेजर करायचे, आपण काय करतो, आपण जर ग्राउंड मधला आतापर्यंत आपण काय केलेलं आहे, तर डिस्टन्स मोजायचं असेल तर आपण काय काय बघितलेलं आहे, चेन बघितलेली आहे, टेप बघितलेला आहे, बरोबर, डिस्टन्स मोजायला. पण टॅकोमीटर मध्ये काय करू शकतो आपण? टॅकोमीटर यूज करून आपण विदाउट युजिंग टेप और चेन आपण कोणत्याही 2 पॉइंट मधलं डिस्टन्स मोजू शकतो, ते हॉरिझॉन्टल डिस्टन्स असो किंवा व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स असो, बरोबर. मग आता कसं? तर देन त्यासाठी आपल्याला पहिले पाहायला लागेल व्हॉट इज टॅकोमीटर. टॅकोमीटर म्हणजे काय असतं? व्हॉट इज टॅकोमीटर? टॅकोमीटर इज नथिंग बट ट्रान्झिट थिओडोलाइट. काय असतं? ट्रान्झिट थिओडोलाइट. Tachometer is nothing but transit theodolite fitted with analytic lens and stadia diaphragm. And stadia diaphragm. ज्याही थिओलाइट मध्ये स्टेडिया डायफ्रॅगम आहे आणि एनालिटिक लेन्स आहे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? टॅकोमीटर, बरोबर. आता व्हॉट इज स्टेडिया डायफ्रॅगम? स्टेडिया डायफ्रॅगम म्हणजे सिंपली आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? आपण डायफ्रॅगम पाहिला, एक हॉरिझॉन्टल लेयर असतं, एक व्हर्टिकल लेयर असतं. याच्यामध्ये 2 ऍडिशनल हॉरिझॉन्टल लेयर असतात, टॉपला आणि बॉटमला. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज स्टेडिया डायफ्रॅगम. There are different types of static diaphragm. One is of this shape. Another, we can see there is another static diaphragm of this shape. Okay, so there may be different types of static diaphragm. Now, here, when we are using theodolite as a tachometer, what do we need? We need this horizontal layers. This central here, one is at this, we can say top, and this is bottom here. Okay, so we need to take measurement of these 3 here, top here, middle here, and bottom here. Meter is nothing but transit theodolite, simple transit theodolite fitted with threaded diaphragm and analytic lens. And what is analytic lens? Analytic lens is nothing but one convex lens. It is provided in between. There is eyepiece in theodolite and there is a one object glass. It is fitted in between this eyepiece and object glass to make some constant zero. Okay, we are coming to that one by one. Okay, as of now, we have learned 2 things. One is tachometry. So what is tachometry? Tachometer is a branch of surveying in which we measure horizontal and vertical distance between 2 points. See here, horizontal distance between 2 points and vertical distance 2 points. Just by taking angular measurement. What we are doing? We are taking only angular measurement. Okay, and for that, which instrument we are using? We are using tachometer. And what is tachometer? Tachometer is nothing but transit theodolite fitted with analytic lens and stadia diaphragm. Today's introduction lecture, just as a curiosity, you may think how we can measure distance without tape or without chain. Okay, How we measure? We know in the last unit we have seen that leveling staff that are 4-meter staff where the readings are marked in the graduations of 0.005 meters. Okay, so that staff is of length 4 meter. Okay, so here what we do, we if we have to measure distance between horizontal distance between any two point, we just keep that is our tachometer at one point, and the horizontal distance between 2 point, whatever the distance we have to measure, we keep that leveling staff here. At one point we keep tachometer, at another point up to which we have to measure the distance, we keep there the staff. Okay, and as I told you, we have to take the readings. Means what we have to do, by seeing this telescope, by seeing through this telescope of the tachometer, we have to see the reading respective of each crosshair. Okay, you can see there are three horizontal crosshairs here. One is upper, one is middle, and another is lower. What we have to take? We have to do. We have to measure reading respective each crosshairs. Okay, there are three crosshairs here: upper, middle, and lower. In the tachometer, in theodolite, what we did for measuring angle, we have bisect the ranging rod with respect to vertical crosshairs. Okay, in leveling, what we did, we have taken the reading of the staff. Okay, staff with respect to middle crosshairs. Means what it reading gives us? This reading gives us our distance of a staff from the point on the ground. Okay, here what we are doing additional, we are taking two more readings with respect to upper crosshairs, and with respect to lower crosshairs. म्हणजे आपण इथे काय करून राहिलो, ऍडिशनल दोन रीडिंग घेत आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अपर क्रॉसहेअर आणि विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू लोअर क्रॉसहेअर. ओके, मग आता काय पुढे, आफ्टर टेकिंग these two readings, we measure the difference between these two, that is upper crosshair reading and lower crosshair. What is the difference between two readings? Okay, you know the staff is graduated from 0 to 4 meter. Definitely lower reading will be, there will be some lower reading, there will be some upper reading. Suppose this lower reading is 1.5, upper reading is 2.5. That is where this upper here bisect the staff, and here where the lower reading. So what we do, we just take the difference between upper reading and lower reading. Okay, upper reading and lower reading, and that we called as S. That we called it as a S. That is S is nothing but staff intercept. What is it? It is called as staff intercept. Okay, so there are some constant for these tachometers. This is tachometer. This is tachometer. So there are some constant for this tachometer, and there is one formula. Okay, we have one formula, and in that formula we have to just put the value of S. There is a formula to calculate horizontal distance D between these 2 points. There is a one formula, and in that formula what we have to do, we have to just place the value of this staff intercept. Okay, and after putting the value of S, we can calculate this horizontal distance. Okay, got it? It's very simple. Means how do we calculate horizontal distance by using tachometer? We will just calculate the staff intercept, that is upper staff reading and lower staff. Upper staff here, upper here, there is difference between upper hair reading and lower hair reading. Okay, and this is nothing but your leveling staff. Okay, this is nothing but leveling staff. Okay, so simple. Did you get idea? How do we measure the horizontal? आपण horizontal distance कसं मोजतो? जस्ट आपण काय करतो, टॅकोमीटर ठेवतो एका पॉइंटला, दुसऱ्या पॉइंटला स्टाफ ठेवतो, आणि टॅकोमीटर मध्ये तो स्टाफ बघतो. ओके, लेवल मध्ये काय करतो आपण फक्त मिडल हेअरचं रिडिंग मिडल हेअरचं रिडिंग घेतो फक्त, बरोबर. पण इथे काय करायचं आपल्याला विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू देर आर 3 इयर्स. सो इथे आपण काय करणार आहे अप्पर क्रॉस हेअरचे रिस्पेक्ट कोणतं रिडिंग आहे, लोअर क्रॉस सॉरी लोअर क्रॉस हेअरचे रिस्पेक्ट काय रिडिंग आहे आणि मिडल क्रॉस आपल्याला 3 रिडिंग घ्यायचे, बरोबर. ती फक्त 3 रिडिंग घ्यायची. झालं. हे 3 रिडिंग घेतल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो स्टाफ इंटरसेप्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. तो स्टाफ इंटरसेप्ट कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करतो, दी स्टाफ इंटरसेप्ट इज नथिंग बट अप्पर क्रॉस हेअर रिडिंग मायनस लोअर क्रॉस हेअर. आपल्याला याची व्हॅल्यू मिळते आणि मग आपल्याकडे काय एक फॉर्म्युला आहे आणि त्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो या याची व्हॅल्यू प्लेस करतो आणि आपल्याला काय मिळतं हॉरिझॉन्टल डिस्टन्स. आणि मग व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स कसं मेजर करतो, जस्ट बाय ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. इफ वी मेजर, इफ वी हॅव टू मेजर द व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स and we know this horizontal distance d, we know horizontal distance d, then how do we measure this vertical distance v, just simply by using trigonometry. We know horizontal distance d, then what is tan theta is equal to v by d, that is vertical distance upon horizontal distance. Therefore vertical distance v is equal to d tan theta. We have seen in the definition, in tacheometry we measure horizontal distance d and vertical distance v just by taking angular measurement with the instrument known as tacheometer. So this is the part of introduction. We'll continue in the next lecture.